Hey guys, so today is like the second to last day of Team of the Year on FIFA. If you didn't know, I play FIFA. I'm not gonna say if I'm good or bad because that's irrelevant right now. On Thursday, that's it. When all the Team of the Year came out, I did a small pack opening with about 24 packs I saved up with Sean. I opened them. Here are my best results. And after that, I now have 6 packs left for my school battle rewards and other things. So let's get right into it. Hopefully we can actually pull something good. So let's go. Alright, so as you can see here, I've got 6 packs. The packs include a premium gold, jumbo, rare mega, and 275 plus. These are just these 2 rare megas are from my school battles, and these other ones are just from something random. So let's start off with the premium gold pack. So yeah, my pack opening with Sean, the best player I got was an 88. An 88. Not even a board, okay. Let's go for a 75 plus rated player pack. This video is probably going to be pretty short because like I haven't got many packs. But yeah, this is what I just thought I'd do. If you guys want to see me do this in the future, for example, every month I save up my school battle rewards for 4 weeks, let me know and I'll do it. Because, yeah, I thought it'd just be cool. Because I haven't done this type of video before, maybe it's quite cool. But as you can see right now, haven't even got a board player. So that's nice, we've got Shakiri. Jumbo premium gold pack now. Let's go. Come on. Anything good? It's a walkout. Let's go. Alright, it's a walkout. What is it? What is it? English. Don't you dare be Harry Kane. Don't you dare be Harry Kane. Oh my god. Can this man just give me a break? Can this man just give me a break? Oh my days, man. Okay, well, that's how we came. I hope this pack is tradable. I hope this pack is tradable. Come on, don't tell me I have to discard another Harry Kane. Oh, they're tradable. Oh, thank God they're tradable. Okay, well, let's just move them up to the transfer list and I'll sell them later. Thank God. Alright, 2 rare mega packs. These, if I'm not mistaken, are 45k packs. Well, let's go. Thank God that Harry Kane was tradable. If he wasn't, okay, it's another walkout. It's a blue. It's not the light blue though. So hold up, you ain't. Hey FIFA, you ain't getting me. And it's to stay good. Oh yes. Oh, that's actually really good. I honestly didn't expect him to get anything. They tried to trick me, show me a blue, but I had none of it. I saw it. I was like, yeah, no, none. Okay, that's good. 90 rated. So again, any danglers? Any little danglers? Nah, okay, let's quickly see how much it goes for. Oh, okay. That was a good session. You've already seen the packs I got before this, which was with Sean on Team of the Year. Yesterday is the second to last day of Team of the Year. Yeah, that's really it, to be honest. There's nothing else really to do. Team of the Year's finished. If you guys want to see me do more pack openings, because if you're seeing this, I've worked out how to use a face cam, or like me in the screen somewhere. That's really it. Thanks for watching, and bye.